This is the installation guide for ScreenArmor's 3-layer ballistic glass. It is designed for pristine environments where extra effort has already been made to eradicate dust. Therefore, our 3-layer materials do not include a dust prevention layer for both privacy and clear options. For traditional retail stores, we recommend using a separate dust sticker or changing to our 4-layer blanks that already include a built-in dust removal layer. Always start by selecting the cut you want before cleaning the phone. It saves time. Find the right design by either choosing the brand, then the model, or by typing in the details. If the customer is unsure which handset they have, you can find them in the handset settings, normally listed under About Phone. Use designs listed under the 5H to 9H category, as they are specifically designed for use with flat screens and cases. For clear, you can use any of the designs, but for privacy, you must choose the design with the camera hole cutout. If the customer desires an edge-to-edge design, they are listed under the front menu category. Quickly check which blank you are using. Here, both privacy and clear highlight 3-layer on the front of each blank. Load it into the machine by laying it flat, pushing it gently towards the wheels and under the right-hand guide rail. A small camera detects loading, and after 3 seconds will pull the blank into the machine. Click the red button called Scan Cutting. The machine will scan the QR code and download the specific design, cut depth, speed, and torque requirements, and automatically start cutting. Whilst the blank is being cut, remove any phone case and place it in the application tray, holding the power button for a count of 2 seconds. Peel off any old screen protectors. To protect your fingers, use the hard white ends of the squeegee, especially if the glass is cracked. Clean the screen thoroughly. For particularly grubby screens, use a tissue to remove the worst before using the clean, anti-static microfiber cloth. It will last longer. For a 3-layer install, we advise applying a separate dust sticker whilst waiting for the cut to finish. A work of art takes time, and ballistic glass is tougher than tempered glass and just as hard, so it needs a super tough blade and extra strong torque to cut pristine edges. Hold the bottom of the blank in your favored hand, keeping it horizontal and close to the clean screen. In a smooth motion, peel off the black dust sticker and put it to one side. Keeping the screen protector's sticky side facing downwards, reach underneath the screen protector and pinch the top corner, just above your opposite hand. Peel off the white base layer in one steady motion and discard. Now place the blank lightly over the applicator hooks and use the squeegee's hole punch to push the guide holes over the applicator hooks. Small hooks left, large hooks right. Why is this? Some older designs reverse them due to camera hole cuts needing greater grip. Taking the squeegee in your favored hand and starting at the top outside edge, push the ballistic glass onto the screen by sliding along the top cut line, splitting the screen protector away from the blank's frame. As you reach the first corner, whilst continuing to push down, lift the corner of the frame from that corner's hook. Now, steadily slide down to the next corner, along the cut line. Again, lift the bottom corner until one side of the frame is free from the hooks. Swap the squeegee to your opposite hand, lift the frame a little, and push the screen protector down onto the screen. Continue to slide it along the screen whilst you lift the frame and separate it from the screen protector. Using the one corner of the frame, stick it firmly to the corner of the now separated screen protector and use it to carefully peel off the colored, protective top layer. All our ballistic glass blanks are made with a dust-repellent glue as standard. Using the soft edge of the squeegee, squeeze out any bubbles by pushing from the center to the nearest edge. Holding the squeegee at a shallow angle, slide the side of the squeegee along the edges in a smooth motion, ensuring a strong and bubble-free adhesion all round. Remove the phone from the applicator, double-check for a pristine installation, refit any cases, and proudly hand it back to a satisfied customer.